back to the channel. Today we will study about Maskulin Geschlecht, meaning is masculine gender. So let's have a look at the tricks, some of the tricks which will be useful in identifying the masculine gender of the noun. First one is Tageszeiten. Meaning of Tageszeiten is timing of the day. Zum Beispiel, der Vormittag, der Morgen und so weiter. That is before morning, morning, afternoon, etc. Exception is the night. Ausnahmen die Nacht. Next is Jahreszeiten. Jahreszeiten meaning is seasons of the year. They are Frühling, they are Sommer, they are Herbst, they are Winter. So spring, summer, winter, all the seasons of the year will fall under the category of masculine gender. Next, Monate. Monate is months. They are Januar, they are February, and so on. And then comes the Wochentage. They are Montag, they are Dienstag, and so on. So all the months and the weekday names will also come under masculine gender. Himmelsrichtungen. Meaning is the directions. For example, they are northern, they are Osten, that is north, south, east, west. All those directions will fall under the category of masculine gender. Next, Niederschlagen. Niederschlagen, for example, they are Regen, they are Schnee, they are Hagel, they are Schauer. Next, alkoholische Getränke. Alkoholische Getränke, for example, they are wine, they are whiskey, etc. All the drinks will come under masculine gender, but the exception will be beer. Ausnahmen, das Bier. Next, Automarken car brands. For car brands, we say Automarken. For example, they are BMW, they are Audi. And then next, Zugnamen, that is name of the train. Zug, Bahnhof, ICE. Next is Berge. Berge meaning is mountains. For example, they are Mount Everest. All the mountains will be masculine except die Zugspitze. Ausnahmen, die Zugspitze. The next is See. See meaning is lake. For example, they are Eibsee, Ammersee, etc. And then rivers outside of Europe. They are Amazonas, they are Congo, and so on. So all the mountains and lakes will be masculine, and also the rivers which are outside of Europe will be treated as masculine. The next is Sportartikel. For example, they are Ball, they are Schlittschuhe. All the sport items will be masculine. Next, Berufe. Berufe meaning is jobs or occupations. For example, President, Lehrer, Arzt. Next is nationalities and words that show citizenship. Example, the Amerikaner. And then the last is nouns made from verbs. So all the nouns which are made out of verbs will be treated as masculine. So for example, laufen is the verb and then the noun will be der Lauf. Now let's revise all the things once again which will come under the masculine gender. Tageszeiten, Jahreszeiten, Monate, Wochentage, Himmelsrichtungen, Niederschlägen, alkoholische Getränke, Automarken, Zugnamen, Berge, See, rivers outside of Europe, nationalities and words showing citizenship, jobs or occupations, sport article and nouns made from verbs. Next is masculine nomen Endungen. Nouns will have index, that is suffixes. Through the suffix we'll come to know which one is masculine nomen. Now let's have a look at the endings one by one. First one is ish. If the noun ends with e, say, ha, for example, tefish. Tefish is masculine. Next is er. Suffix er, example, computer. Next ending is ismus. Example, optimismus. Next is ist. Example, jurist. Next is ik, iki. Example, honish. Next suffix, er. Example, cavalier. Then we have the suffix ner, sharpener. Next, eker, mechanical. Next, or, motor. Next is ling, Schmetterling. Next is EUR, friseur. Next, AR, millionaire. Then next, ENT, student. Next is ANT, elephant. And the next suffix is AST, gymnasiast. And the next is EN. Example, Garten. For the school children who have the habit of memorizing tricks through this song, I have composed a small song here. For the masculine Endungen, here we go. I am Mish, he is a ya. Ismus, ismus, is, taste. We are, we are the family. E-R-N-R, Ika, Ika. We are, we are the friends. Or, air. Don't forget us. And tant, last. We are, we are the last. Ishling, we end with the end. Thank you for watching this video. For joining German language classes or any other courses, you can contact us directly on WhatsApp message, or you can also call on this number. For more information, you can also email us at this given email ID. If you like this video, then please press like button, subscribe this channel for new videos, comment your feedback and follow us on Facebook page. And don't forget to join German language classes for learning professional levels or even hobby courses.